Sinibingelele zonke indawo la esifinyelela khona kunina ngegagasi lama social networks ethu eDepartment of Health KwaZulu Natal. Onibingelela untokozo kwamaphisa sifinyelela khona make kunina namhlanje sisethekwini egagasini kolika banana sihamba ke naye ungqongqoshe ophathiswa umnyango wezempilo KwaZulu Natal. Asizuchitha ke isikhathi savule sihlale kuludaba ngoba siyazi ukuthi namhlanje sifinyelela kini ngegagasi layo imisakazo community radio stations KwaZulu Natal. Siyezwa ke abantu bayaqala abanyaze ukwaqala kwamnandi bayazi namase singeni lunchtimechat.gov kuba mnandi sesinilethele ungqongqoshe ophathise umnyango wezempilo KwaZulu Natal. Nesithola nakahle kakhulu ke kuma social networks ethu njalo ngemgqibelo kusukela ngo-3 kuya ku-4 ntambama ubusisithola futhi nako mabona kude 1KZN TV khona la KwaZulu Natal. Ingakho ke manje singeze ukuchitha isikhathi sishone kungqongqoshe uTsimbene sithi sawubona ngqongqoshe uyaphila.
Siyabingelela Ntokozo, sibingelele kubalaleli nakubabukeli kuma social networks and particularly laba basibukela basithola ku1KZN. Siyabingelela emakhaya.
Impela ke kuhle makanjalo sibonile ke engazuthi ziyabuya kuleli viki noma kulenyanga lapha ya eminyangweni wakho umnyango wezempilo. Abantu bakuyimudi yokudansa nje zonke ibhedlela kuyadansa kuthiwa kune Jerusalem challenge. Ingoma ka Master KG esibone enzima ngalisa umhlaba wonke jikelele lapho abantu beqalela ngempela ukuyidansela nawe usekhaya ungasuka uyidansele kodwa sibonile na umnyango wakho usukumela indaba yayo yonke lento le besuka bedansa ezibhedlela ezahlukahlukene. Kanti sesikhathini la ekungabuye ngathi isikhathi sobunzima la engazuthi abantu kunokusabela mhlawumbe ezibhedlela abantu bayagula kune COVID-19 kodwa sibona iletha enye imudi leyo kujabula lento yale mdanso le lapha ezibhedlela mhlawumbe ngabe nihloseni ngale mdanso.
Ntokozo asiqale nje ngokuthi namhlanje uhlelo lwethu is slightly different from indlela esimanage besenza ngalo ezinye izinsuku purely because lolu hlelo is meant to benefit not thina sodwa emnyangweni or head office but ukubenefita even abasebenzi bomnyango bezempilo emakhaya nomphakathi nje general. That is why ke noma ngingabingelelanga in particular ku guest yethu ngiyazi ukuthi uzointroduce kahle uchaze ukuthi why she is here. And the important thing ge presence yakhe is that siyafuna ukuthi lolu hlelo kube uhlelo lwenza I difference in the lives of our health workers in particular. And ke uma ngabe in the process of that siyakwazi ukuthi sisize nabantu emakhaya kuzobe sekusiza lokho. So ngiyazi ukuthi uzochaza lo daba but siyabonga kakhulu dadwethu ngokuthi ube nathi and we hope sizokwazi ukuthi siqhubeke nalolu hlelo ukwazi usisiza in the manner that we are going to assist us moving forward. In relation to i-dance challenge ke Ntokozo like you are correctly indicating uyabona nje emnyangweni wezempilo thina ikakhulukazi nabasebenzi bomnyango wezempilo we've been under so much pressure ukusukela nje ngo March and sikhuluma around isikhathi sa around 10 March. That is when we started having ama problems. Now siyafisa ukuchaza and emphasize ukuthi uma sithi abasebenzi bezempilo obasemnyangweni wezempilo ba ama frontline workers sisuke singakusho lokho ngoba kuyi slogan, sisuke singakusho lokho ngoba sithi sifuna abajabuli. Iqiniso they are really the people who have been dealing and fighting with the COVID-19 on a daily basis for the since March. And as a result, ibona who are affected more than anyone else. Yes, community is affected. Yes, society is affected. But bona abasebenzi bomnyango bezempilo badila nam nawe uma sigula, badila nam nawe uma siku isolation, badila nam nawe uma kwenzeka sidlule emhlabeni. Konke lokho because they are human. Kungena emotionally kuyaba affect. But abagcini lapho badila nokubona ozakwabo abasebenza nabo be infected be isolated abanye babo baze bashona. So sibe sesithatha isinqumo ke sokuthi udadewethu njobe khona uzosisiza ngalokho but nathi as umnyango wezempilo let's bring a light moment to their lives. Ngoba they are human. They deserve something that is going to uplift their spirits. But most importantly they deserve something that is going to say thank you. We know it's a small gesture. We are going to be thinking. We are thinking around it. By the way, no premium. What can we do for the health workers? Particularly in our province, we think but this challenge for us is something that is saying to them, emotionally, while unabas co-workers osebenza nabo asike senze into efani nje upliftayo even if it's for a few seconds. That makes a difference in our lives. So we've seen the challenge and I've seen the majority of the videos. Ngizibonele ke by the way ngoba ngibonile nami le ngiphakathi engayivotela ngeka HOD.
Aw.
But
Okay.
it's very exciting
Yes.
and intention. I know ukuthi abanye abantu bayasibuza ukuthi sikhuluma nge-dance challenge when there are issues of salary increment and so forth. Yes, those are issues that are there. Ngeke siwabalekele. Bakhona abawaxoxayo at that particular level.
Exactly.
Thina kwamanje sithi let's make a small difference where we can.
Yes.
And this is what dance challenge is supposed to do.
Aye.
Uplift our people, bring a lighter moment and say to them there is life.
Yeah.
This is not the end of the world.
Ngizocela sithi nje nkamfu kuwo lo mdanso kancane sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba ngenile ama district zingenile ibhedlela ngenile ama clinic.
Jerusalema ikhaya lami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana Jerusalema ikhaya lami.
Into emnandi kangaka ezibhedlela zethu ehlukahlukene bayihlukutsha bayadansa bashona phansi nawe ke ngeke ngakubona uyishaya ngeCrocs ke esinye sezibhedlela lapho ngabona awu ngeCrocs ushone phansi hayi kusho hayi lento le uyibambile
Hayi ngibonile ukuthi ngeke ngihlule ozakwethu babonile la lapha khona abashaya amahila ngempela.
Yes.
Ngizokhumula kanjani ihili mina ngifake iteki. Ngibukise ngontanga bami cha kufuna ngiyibambe nami kubonakala ukuthi sikhona.
No umncintiswano siubonile kuqala izibhedlela ezihlukahlukene njengoba sisho nje ama institutions wonke afikile aqalela ukuthi ke ashuthe lama video lawa i-closing date kwakuyena umhla ka-30 August base beyaletha ke ukuthi azobe siyakhombisa kodwa manje usuku nosuku siyawafaka ngokwe district ukuthi ke i-district ethile yona engena i-district ethile yona engana uzowasho kunqonqoshe izinsuku zawo ama district la akhona ke ama district asengenile indaba yenzeka lapha ya kwi Facebook page yawo umnyango ethi KwaZulu Natal Department of Health KwaZulu Natal Department of Health uyangena ke wena ubavotele khona lapha ya wenze sure ukuthi ngempela ke uvotela lesi sibhedlela ofuna siwine ngokuthi ulike ngaphansi kwevideo yakhona nga usuku nosuku kuba i-district ethile okuba yiyona esuke ivotelwa ngalolo suku lolo kodwa mhlawumbe ungqongqosha ngasithi nje nkamfu kancane ukuthi ke izinsuku zimi kanjani.
All right. No, ama dates Ntokozo as you were saying niqalile ukuwafaka ku social media. On Monday ngomhla ka7 bekunama dates asemkhanya kude.
Okay.
We saw that ngo Tuesday ngomhla ka8 kwangena iZulu le district yami ke le. Futhi ke ngibonile nane CAT yaseDumbe ilapha engikhona.
Awuzwaka.
I-Dons impela uma engawinanga kuyobe kusho ukuthi kuneteam impela. Ngomhla ka9 September sibe sesifaka amajuba. Ngababona nalapha emadadeni beyitshukuthi
impela. Bawina
ku-practice-iwe. Thursday mhla ka10 uMzinyathi district bekuyizolo ke lapho. Ufakiwe today kufakwe eyasothukela district nami ngizibonile ke lapha namhlanje ngoba ngangisothukela the day i-challenge yenziwa ngomhla ka September.
Wawuse Appelsbosch noma?
No ngangise Lady Smith.
Lady Smith, okay.
Lady Smith Hospital. Ngomhla ka14 kuSeptember kuzobe sekufakwa eyase King Cetshwayo. 15 sofaka uMgungundlovu district cabanga ukuthi ka HOD head office izobe singena lapha naye
yasekugcineni
ingena ekugcineni that is all right. And then ile ngomhla ka16 kuSeptember kuzongena iLembe district. 17 September iHerigwala district. 18 September uGu district. 21 September eThekwini district bese sigcina ke ngento zikamphathi omkhulu i-team yase head office ke izobilidwa umphathi HOD so bese sibona ukuthi babebuya kanjani ngapha buya phansi
ushona phansi akadlali nezingane ushaya ivosha avuke ngangithi ngeke avuke kodwa wavuka ngoba kwakonakele no sibonke kakhulu ngqongqoshe ubusuyishilo kancane le ukuthi ke uhlelo namhlanje lizothi ukuhlukahluka ngoba uthe mhlambe kubalekile ukuthi lesikhathi lesine ingcindezi ehlukahlukene kunokhwankalala olukhona siyabona abasebenzi bethu ezibhedlela ehlweni basebenza kuyinikela kodwa isikhathi lesi njengamanje la iba khona ingcindezi ngendlela ehlukahlukene wawusuthi cha uzokusilethele omunye odadewethu ekuthiwa ukhanyisile nene oyi psychologist akuyibonaka abakwazi ukuxukuza umqondo lona mawukuthi usuneyingxaki ezithile bekuthi xukuxuku bekwazi ukusilekelela kodwa mhlambe kuthini okwakho ukuthi yini lena yenza ukuthi mhlambe sigcine sesibona ususilethela umuntu ofana nalo nanokuthi sizoqhubeka nisibona usilethela amanye ama specialist kulolu hlelo lwakho.
Ndozo le program while uhlelo oluhle olwenza ukuthi thina somnyango wezempilo sikwazi ukukhuluma nabasebenzi sikwazi ukukhuluma nanomphakathi kodwa sibonile ukuthi kubalekile le platform siyisebenzise nokusizana nje and inkinga esibhekene nayo right now njengoba bengisho earlier on ukuthi ama health workers ikakhulukazi abhekene ne depression abhekene ne stress is esikhulu. I mean abantu who don't work in hospitals I think will never understand ukuthi abasebenzi bethu babhekene nani while while we accept ukuthi honest vele umsebenzi wabo ukugada iguli noma ukubheka iguli, but can you imagine uzobheka isiguli uthi usabheke leso siguli kuvele kugula uza kwini kusasa? Can you imagine what that does to you? And can you imagine if unomqashi ongayithatheli into consideration leyo nto? So today it is meant to address, well, not to address ngoba ngeke siqede yonke, but as a contribution. Angichaze futhi ukuthi le program ye psychosocial support for staff sethu sesiqalile sihambisa kuma district tours. We know ukuthi we don't have enough psychologists, for instance, but uPrimizolo gave us permission ukuthi siqale siqashe in the different districts. But we also know that there's not enough of them.
Yes.
So we are in a discussion with the University of KwaZulu-Natal ukuthi laba banabo bona bas assista kanjani sikwazi ukuthi sisebenze ndawonye, but we also add ama social workers. So in the next 2 weeks we'll then be starting a program that's going to be rolled out iye kuma facilities onke ngoba the mental health of the health workers is extremely important.
Okay.
If you have health workers abangekho with right frame of mind, uzongakwazi ukuba namasosha akwazi ukuthi asebenze kahle. So sine responsibility ke njengohulumeni ukuthi while we take care of our patients, but we must also take care of our own workers. So this is part of that program, and we are going to continue with it. I hope ukuthi Miss Nene ngelinye ilanga futhi after today she'll still give us an opportunity aloku ezoqhubeka ngoba uyazi ukuthi izinto ezizoqhamuka namhlanje are always long term.
Yes.
So we must always have a continuous program. So yeah, I'm quite excited that we are here. I hope the program here is going to go very well.
Yeah. Izohamba kahle kakhulu ngqongqoshe ke ngizothatha lethuba ke manje sithi uxoxisana nesihambeli sethu namhlanje simuphe ibreak encane ungqongqoshe ngoba uzobuya futhi sibe naye ke ngasekugcineni eseligoqa kahle kahle uhlelo lakhe ngoba olwakhe lolu hlelo kodwa namhlanje uthe uyacela ukuthi ke sixoxisane nesihambeli sethu. Sikubingelele ke Khanyisile Nene sithi sawubona Dumela namaste. Right kodwa?
Thank you so much Mr. Maphusa. You're right.
Right.
Ngibonga nje kakhulu leli thuba eningipha lona, but special greetings and thank you to Mam MEC Magugu Simelane Zulu for ukuthatha ngempela leli thuba lokuthi invite to talk about such an important topic, because njengoba mental health is a very important component in health nje, and abasebenzi njengoba besibona banda ingcindezi fanele ba provide support, fanele banakekele iguli, but bona who takes care of them. So it's that giving back is so important. So siyabonga, but ke ngibonga nakunina, and greetings to the special viewers at home abalalele and the rest of the team. Hopefully kukhona sizokufunda about mental health.
No doubt kuningi kakhulu esokufunda. Mhlambe ke kubaleka ukuthi umuntu ngaphambi axoxe nawe sibaqondise abalale emakhaya sixoxa nobani wakabani osuka usiphe umlando omncane ngawe ukuthi usuka kuphi ubani wakabani ufunde phi mhlambe nanophela lento yema psychologist ngathi intsha la esizweni sakithi ukuzo izinkunzi ngisho ixoxa zisho ukuthi hayi mina lento ya stress hayi asiyazi lezinto zabelungu lenzo noma izinto zosiba. So kubalekile ukuthi siqondeke lokho ke i background nje encane yakho singathi sikhuluma nobani wakabani osuka kuphi.
Nikhuluma noKhanyisile Nene, ngikhulele eNanda eDube Village eNanda khona la KZN, and ngifunde University of KwaZulu-Natal ngifunda psychology. So I've studied and I'm specializing in clinical psychology. I'm currently based at Dudok Center on the 8th floor, and I work with abantu nama mental health problems, but not necessarily abantu abaneyinkinga zengqondo. Sometimes it's just a matter ukuthi ufuna nje ukudila with life problems. So we bayeza bazo consult. So I work with children, I work with teenagers, I work with families, with couples nje basiza with izimo ehlukahlukene zempilo.
Lo mkhakha lo siyazi ukuthi abantu basuke bethathe ngokuthi mhlambe isifo esithile kuphela mawuthi awusaphile ekhanda kuhlukana kangaki mawungasihlukanisela nje khona kafushanti izinto endila nazo usuku nosuku iziphi ehlukahlukene ngokuthinteka nje komqondo ngenxa yento ehlukahlukene.
Thank you so much. So I think like I was saying, ziningi ehlukahlukene esidila nazo, but sometimes masibuka nje ama anxiety, we see a lot of people with anxiety, but ke kubalekile ukuthi sihlukanise phakathi kwe anxiety enormal ne anxiety le siba clinical. For example, anxiety is a normal emotion or response to a stressful situation. Uthola incwadi nje kuthiwa nje bakuyi COVID-19 usuya dilizwe emsebenzini ubani ozojabulela lokho. So obviously automatically kuzoba khona some symptoms of anxiety. It's normal. But then if you don't deal with low normal emotions emotions, you know, you don't pay attention to them,
Okay.
it can then lead to or go to the next extent sekuba disorder, you know.
Okay.
So we deal with ama normal emotions, and then we deal with ama mental health disorders or ama mental illnesses. Okay. So some of the mental illnesses are still now ibonabo anxiety, depression, stress. I think nje esibone ikhula kakhulu at this time post traumatic stress disorders, especially amongst ama mental health care workers or lama frontline workers who are exposed or are at the front line of, you know, of this COVID-19 pandemic. So beside the abo PTSD, anxiety, we also have seen mental illness can also include substance abuse, you know, which can be abuse idakamizwa or utshwala, whatever that, you know. So those kind of behaviors are common. Mental health issues can also include what do we call panic attacks, anxiety, panic attacks, yeah. So suicide sometimes can be seen. However, suicide not in all cases. So it has mentally disturbed or it's mental illness. You know, so it's finally it's not everyone. Because most of the time sometimes once mental illness stress so kuna misconceptions amaningi nama stigma amaningi ahambisana ne mental health, you know, and especially around gay suicide kuthi wazama ukuyibulala umuntu kusho ukuthi akaphilile ekhanda uyahlanya animyekele ubengayibulala ingane, you know. I think we're gonna get to lapho futhi la esobuyela sikhulume ngakhona.
No, mhlambe ngoba usayisho kahle kakhulu uyasho futhi ukuthi na sometimes ukuthola usuyithola unesimo nje esisha esifikayo esithusayo kuyakwenza ukuthi ube umuntu onokuthuka bese kukwenzela ukuthi ube ungena ke esimeni esithile njengakho ukuthi kwayikona nje ukuzwa ukuthi usune COVID kukhona ukuthuka okuthile okwenzakalayo okungakwenza okunye kwakho miningi imisebenzi esibona ukuthi ibivaliwe njengoba kade kune lockdown and ukuvalwa kwayo lemisebenzi kwenza ukuthi abantu abaningi bahlala emakhaya okuyinto abangayijwayeli okufika nakho mhlambe nesinye nayo itrauma ethile nestress ethile labantu as much as bengihlala nabo ngilala nabo every time ngiphila nazo ingane ekhaya kodwa manje ngokuthi sengiphila nabo kusuku nosuku kuba khona mhlambe indlela ezithile engagcina zenza ukuthi kube nokuthuka futhi komzimba mhlambe ke umuntu osuke efikele isimo lesokuthi uphelwa umsebenzi noma yini yenza ukuthi ke agwemeke lento obuyisho ukuthi agcine seyithola engena kwi stress uhlobo oluthile mhlawumbe le stress noma wena ngalendlela ukusunga mina ngizoxolisa ngizolokhu ngubiza nge stress nje ngoba konke ngokuhlanganisa ngithi kuyi stress nje ngifaka u3 kuphela okuyisikhwakhalala ke ngolimi lwasekhaya yipi ke indlela mhlawumbe umuntu angayivikela ngayo na incwadi usuyitholile ethi cha uyagula impela njalo uphelile umsebenzi asisakwazi ukuqhubeka ukuthi usebenze wenza kanjani ke mawubhekane naleso simo ngokwa psychology?
Well, I think okubalekile nje kuqala kuwena as an individual. I know as uma kufika we go through a shock ne, so you'll be shocked automatically, but then kuleyo shock you need to be able to acknowledge ukuthi okay ngithukile ukuthi na incwadi iyafika umqashi uthi uyaphela umsebenzi, so what does it mean for me ukuthi uyaphela umsebenzi? So ngiyazi abantu abaningi uma kufika lezo incwadi or bethole sebedilizwa the main thing eyenzekalayo ukuthi usuyibuza imibuzo ukuthi sengizobondla ngani abantwana bami, family, school fees, all those things, you know. So yes, ngesikhathi kuqhamuka deal with them ke, so don't try ukuthi usuya block so ngizoba right, you know. Awusilona robot. So number one is to pay attention ekutheni how am I feeling, deal with loma shock naloma anxiety symptoms lawa azolokhuza, because from there ungayithola awusakwazi ukulala ebusuku usu developer stress ne. So acknowledge and then also to seek mhlawumbe kusukhulumisana nayo ke family ubazisa ngokushintsha kwesimo ke financially ukuthi guys nayi umsebenzi usuyaphela sinemali engaka, le mali ngasilasta for how long, so sekuthini sekuukuthi sesiya budget ke ngale mali ekhona ezophuma mhlawumbe njoba sidilizwa. So kuyakusiza ke nalokho ungabi na what we call financial stress, which is resulting from the retrenchment as a result of the COVID-19. But ke I think okubalekile khona ukuthi whenever pay attention to how ama physical symptoms, because it's not all the time lapho stress or anxiety or depression may manifest or izoyiveza through ama emotions. Sometimes iwona ama physical symptoms esiwabonayo khona ungakwazi ukulala ebusuku, usuba nama back pain, ikhanda, ungakwazi ukudla.
Usuba lezi zinto ezihlasele mina zonke. Ungenza ukuthi kuyi stress. Yeah, no, it helps ngoba bengisathi ngizokubuza ukuthi yena i-level ke manje yokuqala kulezinto lokho uyibala ngizosuba no depression uyakubala kuba kuningi nje. Ikupho kuba ukuqala kunyukele kuphi kugcine kuphi mangangithathela ngama level mhlawumbe cha uqala la nakhona uzizwa kanje makuseklapho. Njengoba usho nje akulaleke ebusuku ngangikubathi akulaleke mawunemali. Manje ke usuyangidida ke mawusufuthi nasi stress kanti so sekuzomela siyigadeke lento yakusimali kuphela yenze ungalala. But mhlawumbe ungangithathela ngokwama level makusuka la ususenale inkinga ezincanyana mhlawumbe mase kunyuka ukugadeke kodwa mase kukuleli izinga so impela sumuntu osengafa nokufa.
Yes. Okay, I think okubalekile ukuchaza nje ukuthi we can't really say for sure ukuthi kuqala la kuye la kuya la. So for different people for it manifests differently. For others kungabe wona ama emotional responses la kade ngiwachaza shock, denial, you know, ukusaba, ukuba irritable, usunolaka ingane zithi zenze sink usuyathetha ngoba phela ngithi already manje unama financial constraints. So that's the emotional response. For others it may kuhambisane nawo ama physical as well as the emotional lengichazwa. So the physical wona ke lawo ebengwasho ukuthi ungalali ukuba ubhlungu komzimba. So we can't really say ukuthi you know kukhona iorder kuyahluka from person to person.
Okay. Isikhathi kesiningi masingena kulesifo lesekuthiwa iCovid uthothi kuba nesikhathi la osutsheliwe khona ukuthi usuyagula bese kuthiwa ke kuzomela uyo isolate. Lento ke yoku isolate into enzima kakhulu ba shothi uyohlala wedwana lapha lapho kokubuya khona lonke kusiza manje hawo sengibhekene nokufa kubuye konke ucabange nezikweletu ongakazi uyicabanga. So njengabantu ke nina endila nabantu kakhulukazi abasuke bebhekana nalezi yipi advice engayinika umuntu okusuke kuthiwa ka isolation yipi ngempela indlela akufuneka adile nayo ngoba ine stress ke leyo siyayazi sonke ngoba one uthuso ukuthi utshele ukuthi uyagula, two sekufuneka uyohlala wedwana lapha ku isolation yipi indlela nilekelele ngayo.
Thank you. I think osuke sekubalekile lapho ukuthi umuntu asebenzele towards uku-accept ukuthi okay sengithelelekile or sekufanele ukuthi ngi-isolate because kwi-isolation obviously there's going to be feelings of loneliness and the feelings of loneliness if not dealt with is what would lead to about anxiety and about depression. So you have to acknowledge ukuthi okay what I'm going through now is part of the process, you know, part of the process of grieving because now there's a huge transition. So kukhona ushintsho empilweni yami sekuthiwa nginesifo esikanje because abanye bayakhathaza ukuthi ngabe sengizoshona na ngabe ngisengithelele umndeni wami. There's a lot of feelings of guilt which during isolation you can't afford to avoid. You know, those are things that you need to be very observant of and be mindful, you know, at a very personal level. And then also I think there are different ways abanye abangafuna ukuyisiza ngabo such as what is your belief. Sometimes abanye bayakholelwa uNkulunkulu, you know, this is a time ngesikhathi uwedwa to be meditating. What does God say about me? What's about my protection, about my healing? You know, that's another component. There's another one, it's a psychological level, you know. Psychotherapy nowadays is available even through telephones. You know, we can now render. So ngesikhathi isolated, you are feeling all alone. You can't even have access to abantwana bakho ngoba uyasaba ukuthi ngizomthelela uyangena umntwana uyamxosha or usesibhedlela wherever. You know, then you try to reach out for usizo. You know, speak to somebody so that they can help you go through what you are going through so that you can get usizo, understand what is going on to deal with emotions. But again, don't isolate yourself. Isolate already, but then if you can get support from your family, keep low contact. You know, understand. You know, I can't be shutting people. So usunga communicate. But again, I think we also want to be careful to limit how much we expose ourselves to the negative media and the negative stuff issue about COVID-19. You know, because now that raises more fear. You know, more people are dying when actually isiyabona ukuthi ibalo mhlawumbe ziyehla. So you want to you know, eliminate izinto ezokuvusela nje ifear for no reason.
Sikhona istudy engeke ngasibona ebesikhulumisa into ethinta leyo nto ukuthi abantu abaningi ababulawa iCovid akubi iCovid per se babulalayo, ezinye izifo eziqamelene nayo iCovid ebabulalayo, abanye ke bese bebulawa ukusaba. I know of cases la abantu abebethi mayezwa nje kuthiwa partner wakhe usebambe avela gule lo acisha ukufa lo ozwa kuthiwa partner usebambe ebambekile mase checkwa kodwa abuye yena mhlawumbe kwesinye isikhathi enegative kungathi yena akalitholanga igciwane okusho ukuthi ke into yokusaba nayo ihamba endlela ende la emqondweni kodwa bengizothanda ukuthi kusibhekele futhi naleyo ukuthi isikhathi esiningi abantu mawukuthi usephumileke la isolation usubuye emphakathini siyaqala ukuthi uyasondela ukuthi uzokhomba ngendolola nje base kwakhonjana asebeyabaleka abantu usuyibona manje uyacwaseka kokunye sebeyakusho ngamagama udila kanjani ke naleyo part leyo ngoba nayo ngathi iyona part ebuyibe nencindezi enkulu kakhulu lento kuyibuyisela manje emphakathini abantu mabeqhelela bakuzokusaba vele ngoba phela igciwane elisha abantu basalisaba kodwa mina ngenza kanjani ukusebenza ukuyamukela lento le engisuke ngibhekane nayo
Okay, I think at a personal level ukhona uku-understand ukuthi okay ngithelelekile sengisindile vele abantu bahlezi benama views wabo you know so vele abantu bazokhuluma izinto and umbuzo obuzayo I've had ama clients who happen to be ama mental health no ama hospital workers for example a nurse who's saying ukuthi she's no longer coping because now umefika kwi-unit asebenzela kuyona useyabizwa sebebe namagama sebebizwa ngawo o COVID or whatever and the moment ezigama lithi COVID-19 now akasakwazi nanokusebenza because of the trauma so people abafundisekile and kuwest kuma sekuyithina futhi you know healthcare workers abasebenzisa such how much more uma sesiphindela ke to the general community but ke I guess ke ngizama ukushifta ukuthi it's not just about what I can do mina njengomuntu othelelekile it's also about us as human beings esiphilisane nabo as umphakathi ukuthi fanele siqaphele ukuthi imapha ama labels or ama izinto esizikhulumayo ngabantu laba sesuke sebethelelekile ngaligcikwane because okoqala nje most of the time it's not ukuthi bebebudedengu it's not their fault so why should we then be stigmatizing them because the more we stigmatize them the more we make it difficult for them to cope because there's an element of trauma nabo bazama ukudila nayo and ngeba khona ukuthi bayenze so ukuthi at a personal level umuntu fana accept ukuthi isimo sikanje angazi blame angayigxeki yena and then nathi ke as abantu esiphilisana nabo siba understand siba welcome singasebenzisi amagama azobhebhethekisa ukusaba azobhebhethekisa ukuthi umuntu isolate kade isolateile vele sezoyi isolate la because now we can't be engaging because sobizwa ngamagama athini
olunye ke udaba esilitholile uba incindezi kakhulu ilolu loku accepta ke ukudlula komuntu ke manje ngenxa yaso lesifo lesi baningi authority uzegcina sethi no esibhedlela bambulele noma iambulance kuba yafika on time ngabe akashonanga omunye ekasho ukuthi hey mina lento ngiyithola emsebenzini angiphathekile kahle bese ke eyedlula omunye bese uthola ama families kuba nzima ukuaccepta and indlela ke lento yakhiwe ngayo inzima kakhulu ngoba umuntu futhi iba khona lento othi ku limited nokumbona osession kushuthi ke uthi ekade isolated lapha ningekho naye aphinde futhi mase kufuneni yomfihla anisakwazi ukumbona abantu ababaningi ngendlela ebeningafisa ngayo kuke kwaba nesikhathi la kuke kwavaleka khona ama provinces singakwazi ukunyakaza uthola ukuthi nizogcina nimfihla niba u5 niba u6 umuntu kanti mhlambe bekubabe benomhlonipha kakhulu mhlambe ke leyo ndawo leyo ke manje thina ke nathi siumndeni sidila kanjani nanalento ke yesiko khonto yesiko lethena kufanele sigoye sihlale sigoye senze ini kodwa naleli gciwane phela likhona sothi sigoyile mhlambe sithelelane kuke kuthini mhlawumbe ukusiza kwenu entweni enjalo nali isiko siyafuna uligcina thina simfihla umuntu singamvulanga samgeza senza samcabanga into ezithile zethu nathi intelezana zethu nina ke njengamasonini silekelele kanjani sikwazi ukudila nalokho ukuthi simfihlile ubaba kodwa asilisebenzisanga isiko la ekhaya mhlawumbe uzobuya sezofuna ukwenzela umsebenzi uzobuya abanye bethu ezopoka so izinto enisisiza kanjani lezo mase sisuke sesibhekene nazo sekudluliwe ke manje emhlabeni
oh yes so I think okubalekile njengoba i-acceptance asuke sesisebenzela kuyona ukuthi you know what isimo sikanje kwi country yethu at this time kunama measures ukuthi as protect thina but ke nami ukuze ngiphole nami ukuze ngamukele kuke kube kuhle ukuthi mhlawumbe ngimbonile ngamgeza ngamthinta but ke asikhona ukwenza lokho so that will alleviate the kusifaka kuyilesi kusifo sisibiza ngani i-grief, not necessarily ukuthi isifo, but ke it's a mental health condition where now we are grieving or we are not given the opportunity to grieve accordingly for this person. But vele i-grief isuke inama stages and leso stage ikhona nje ukuthi hawu kade besalindele ukuthi mhlawumbe angasinda ngoba nasebabona abanye bayasinda, but ke sibe nalo shock ukuthi akasaphumanga from singakadeal nalo shock. Some of us will be experiencing ama emotions afana nabo denial, abo avoidance, where we avoid to accept nje ukuthi hayi ushonile or ushone because of then we get to be blaming. We want somebody to blame. So if blame is part of your process here, grief ukuthi now seso blame department, seso blame izibhedlela, seso blame obani. So mhlawumbe sekuyithina fanele sibuke ukuthi am I really ngifila kanjani? Is it really because of isibhedlela ukuthi ushonile noma bevele ezoshona, you know? So and sometimes labo guilt nalabo blame will lead to anger, because now you're so angry. But why are you angry? Because awukwazanga phela ukuthi fihle ngalendlela ebesijwayele ngayo, asakwazanga ukuthi umbone wenze lolu siko olujwayelekile. So I guess ikhona kufanele si understand ukuthi yes bekunama stages nama process abelindelekile awasakwenzekanga, but now try to deal with when frustration, try to deal with i-loss yakho in a manner mhlawumbe yokuthi uthole i-support ke umuntu ozokusiza ukunderstand ukuthi what am I going through, why am I going through this, is it legitimate ukuthi blame so and so or this department or that department, you know? But okubalekile ukuthi sifike kwi process of forgiveness, ukwazi ukuxola ukuthi okay no ngiyamukela ukuthi no bekuyisikhathi sakhe or mhlambe hayi ngobe engenzanga kahle, because sometimes ngesikhathi si grieve siyiblame nathi ukuthi mhlambe nami ngangaqaphi ngani wayengayifaki ngani mask, mhlambe mina ngimthelelile whatever. So part of low grief ikhona ukuthi no it's nobody's fault, mhlambe bese kuyisikhathi sakhe, then it helps ukuthi sifike kwi acceptance. But as long as singakafiki acceptance then sizo blame everyone, sizo avoid how we are truly feeling, you know? So you just want to understand, how am I feeling? What is going on? What does it mean? And then people khona abantu abakhona ukuthi bakusizeke as you not grieving, because uzobona futhi ukuthi ngiyagrieve ke manje by what, by khona lokho ama symptoms ke sawabala ukuthi awukwazi ukulala, ama emotions are up and down, unolaka ekhaya zonke. So ngesikhathi ulokho, then the best person to go to uyobona iGP yakho or uyobona psychologist or uye esibhedlela to try and get usizo ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Sithinteke la safika umuntu esedlulile emhlabeni, kodwa ke kubi ke kuphela ukudlula kolo obekade egula. Kwesinye isikhathi ke ingcindezi esuke sibhekene naye kuyenzeka ukuthi ke ibe ingcindezi esekhomba ukuthi ke nawe wena osuke ke ubhekene naleso simo leso awukakwemukeli kahle ukuthi ke cha ngiwumuntu nami osebuyela emphakathini bazongicwasa vele kuzoba khona izinto ezithile engizobhekana nazo. So ke ngibuka insizwa lezi njalo ezithatha ingcingo ngithi bathi ukhona ongenayo, kodwa ke makhona ongenayo sobe sesiyamthatha khona la emoyeni. Kuba khona ke lokho kudlula kwethemba kwesesikhathi size siboneke la sifika kule ngxenye obukade ukhuluma ngayo kokufika ukuthi umuntu usecabanga ukuyibulala. Mhlambe ke mase kuleso siqephu lesi noma kulelo zinga sibona ubuzwa ngani ukuthi cha sekuleli zinga ngempela la seku wrong khona kakhulu ke manje, ngoba sengicabanga nokuyibulala nani abanye sebe suicidal, sesho kuyihenga wenza ini. Mhlambe ke ungakavoida kanjani ukuze kufike lapho, kanti futhi ubona ngani mase kusondele lapho?
Okay, thank you. I think umbuzo obalekile loyo. I think singaqaphela ngokuthi kuyahluka ke. So abanye sibona ngokuthi sebejwayele ukuthi bakhulume kakhulu ngokufa nje, you know? So there's more talks about dying, about suicide, and lo muntu akaza khulume kanje. So ulimi lakhe all of a sudden selu around le topic ye suicide. Abanye sike sibone ngokuthi sebeya isolate, you know, they are withdrawing from engaging club ekhaya, useyivalele ekamereni. So fanele siqaphele lokho all of a sudden sekunale behavioral change, akasafuna ukhlala nathi uchitha isikhathi nathi. So it could be ukuthi no akekho kwi stage suicidal suicide but mhlawumbe it could be just stress but we don't know which is which angithi so we just want to be paying attention ukuthi okay uma sibona nje qale withdraw usekhuluma ngokufa ngokufisa ukufa ngokuba ngcono kokufa then it's a warning sign abanye sike sibone baya kuma extremes ukuthi sebethenga ikhali mhlawumbe umuntu usethenga isibhamu so if uyatshela ukuthi usengithenga isibhamu you know we can't take for granted what is it for uthenge amaphilisi uhambile wayothenga amaphilisi nje all of a sudden awani lo maphilisi and you know we want to pay attention to such things because i-overdose is one of the most common forms of abantu aba-attempta ngayo i-suicide you know yeah but ke ukuthi sibasiza kanjani labo bantu I think when you notice
ilapho bese ngithi ngizwa khona ukuthi ke umuntu makuthi siyambona ke nalezi impawu lezi ngoba mina nje umuntu wathenga isibhamu sengizomqula ngimlethe kuwe dudok angeke ngiloko ngichitha isikhathi ngambona ethenga amaphilisi kuyibhokisanyana elikhudlwana ngiyamqukula ngidlali angifuni ukuchitha isikhathi kodwa ke I'm trying to say ngempela ke mase siwabona lama signs and symptoms thina ke yithi steps sokuqala esingeze ukumthusa phela naye ukuthi bese thiwa kodwa ikuphi lokho ekufuneka sikwenze thina okuzokwenza ukuthi ngicela nokukhumbuza abalali emakhaya ukuthi ke silasi ne psychologist namhlanje ohlelweni lethu i lunch time chat okhuluma uNtokozo kwaMaphisa sifikela kunina ngegagasi lama social networks onke nje ethu aka health siphinde sifinyelele nangemsakazo yomphakathi kuzo zonke indawo la enisithola khona sifinyelele futhi ke nangomabona kude 1KZN TV kodwa ke namhlanje njengoba sixoxa la nosiswa kakunene oyi psychologist okuyena ke manje osondezela nje ngeinkinga esingabhekana nazo ezahlukahlukene nangu ke sengwabonile lama signs and symptoms yini lengayenza mina ukumlekelela
Okay I think okokuqala ungazama ukuthi umbize ngasese you know umbize privately uzama ukukhuluma naye you know try to be friendly with them be compassionate you know ukhombisa ukuzwelana ukuthi usuyabona mhlawumbe ukhulume na ukuthi yazi ngiqaphela ukuthi nokuthi ngiyabona ukuthi ngathi awususpend isikhathi nathi kwenzakalani you know ngesikhathi ukhuluma naye privately you know you also have to question them don't be shy don't shy away from asking them ukuthi uke waba nemcamango because mhlawumbe uzovuleleka ukuthi hey yazi yes I've been going through stress nani so mhlawumbe ngesikhathi eqale evuleleka so usuyambuza ube direct ukuthi no usike yafika nimcamango yokuthi ufisa ukufa noma ukufisa ukuyibulala because ngeke ngakuzwa futhi mhlawumbe ukhuluma ngokufa you know for the past few days so ikhona imcamango so those kind of questions will help this person get suicidal you know to open up and ngalesikhathi open up mhlawumbe nawe usuyakwazi ukuthi umtholeleke usizo umchaneleke ukuthi okay these are the kind of help or services are available angakusiza you know so homework yethu ke thina as people empilweni zabo labo suke sebe under such ngcindezi or suicide ideation ikhona ukuthi sizama ukubatholela usizo ukuthi okay now ama psychologist ungakwazi kuyibona or ungaya kwi GP yakho or ungaya esibhedlela or ungaya the nearest clinic khona ungafonela iambulance and we can also go to a police station when you feel like you are suicidal you know you can always go to a police station ubacela ukuthi no ngicela angikho right ngifila kanje ngicela ningisa mhlawumbe esibhedlela or uliphu usizo but I know we want to be careful because sometimes uzofika lapho mhlawumbe amanye amaphoyisa wafundiselekile about mental health so mhlawumbe ngakuthatha kubhekisele which might not help you kanti naseyibhedlela naseyemaclinic sike sikuthole lokho so but it's just ama channels yokuthi you know you can go ngalezo kulawo ma channels ukuthi uthole usizo but ke I think usukhulumile naye wam director ikhona nje ukuthi singabacwasiki if ukuthi useke waba ne thought yokuthi ufuna ukuyibulala or wakhombisa then awubusa asikho kudinga sokuthi hey noma ungayibulala yabo so when they've communicated so we want to be more understanding and more helpful
ngithi ngizophuma kancane ku COVID bangifuna ukubuka kunabafowethu lapho tholthena sigcina sibabona sebesemgaqweni sibabone sebephila lapha emgaqweni mawuthi uyahlala kodwa uyaxoxa naye uthi kuneyinkinga ezamsusa wherever la ekhona mhlambe nina manisweni xoxa nabo isikhathi esiningi yini le esuke siyenza umuntu uthi acindezeleke azegcine eseyibona ukuthi no sekufune mhlambe ngilishiya ikhaya ngihambe ngiyohlala emgaqweni kanti mhlambe nasekhaya ke yipi indlela esinga identify ngayo le problem ukuthi umntwana angagcini eze iphume baleke yohlala emgaqweni.
Most of the people sibabona besemgaqweni are young kids.
Yes.
So most of them suke sibona ukuthi basuke be-strugglisha academically. Ey'koleni we have learners who are esithi ama-slow learners, not necessarily ukuthi abahlakaniphile, not necessarily ukuthi ama-slow learners, but mhlampe because of lack of support or foundation, educational foundation was not so great, banga identify mhlampe ama-emotional barriers which affect ability yomntwana yokufunda, then bagcine bedonsa kanzima esikoleni, mhlampe bekhondona from one grade to the next. Bafike isikhathi la ekhaya vela ba understand so bayambona ukuthi uhlakaniphile, but now kodwa futhi nobe ehlakaniphile akayifaki effort, so umzali uzothetha ngithi. So ngesikhathi ethetha umzali ingane ifila as if I'm not supported, I'm not good enough, ngiyagxekwa, then there comes a point where mhlawumbe they leave home bayabaleka ngoba it's like they are not supported. Kuhlukile lokho kunye kwakho. Okunye ikhona mhlawumbe ukuthi kusuke kukhona ama family problems, ukuhlukumezana kwabazali, mhlawumbe there are marital problems, there's divorce, or mhlawumbe abashadile vele we living in extended families, ukuhlezi ubona uma wakhe eshawa, so you rather go and do ihlalele emgaqweni ukuthi ulibele kubuya lama flashbacks or ama videos, you know. So for others kuyaba ukuthi no mhlawumbe ngoba usejoine ama friends are wrong, not ukuthi ekhabe bemhlukumeza, not ukuthi yes, so ama peer pressure, so uzenzele wena inqumo engekho right, uyithola usubaleka ngoba awufuni ukutshelwa ekhaya. So it really differs. For some it's really ama factors beyond the control yabo, for others it's really not ukuthi abazali besuke be understand ukuthi siyam criticize, sina suke zama ukumpusha because we believe ukuthi it's the best, but ke so lapho suke sekufanele if ukuthi siyabona abantwana badonsa kanzima esikoleni, we want to get to understand, mhlawumbe sibatholele usizo, sibayise ama psychologists futhi asizayo lapho ukuthi assess ukuthi umntwana ngabe njobe efail esikoleni ingoba i-IQ yakhe ikuliphi izinga, ingoba efanele kube special school, noma ingoba there's anxiety, because the anxiety can lead to umntwana not paying attention, not focusing esikoleni, you understand, so which then complicate ubudlelwane bomntwana nomzali, and then to a point sithole obhuti bethu nosisi bethu sebebaleke emakhaya asazi ukuthi kusuke kuyikuphi, but okay
no ngiyayithanda le ngoba umsebenzi wenu uthanda ukuvuleleka futhi ukuthola ukuthi yena kwesinye isikhathi yize noma mhlambe ke kungezukuba umntwana nje ubuke washo thena ukuxabana kwabazali bese kuba nalento egcina iba ukuxabana nje endlini kakhulukazi violence endlini. Bake basho kabanye kwamanye amaphephe bengiwafunda ukuthi kubukeke kunyuka futhi ngalesikhathi sesivalelekile endlini, ukuxabana lapha endlini nani mhlambe ke esimeni esifana naleso where kunokuxabana ekhaya, neni advise nithini ukuze singagcini sesibona izingane nazo iaffecteka ngenxa yeinqushunqushu la endlini, nanokuthi mhlambe isikhathi esiningi niyibone kuyini esukile idela kuleyo nto loba ngiyaqala phela ngixoxa nabantu abahlukahlukene yini egcina ilidela ukuthi inqushunqushu ingapheli, nanokuthi ke sik-avoida kanjani ngoba sobona izingane seyiphuma igcwala umgwaqo, sibone bonke abantu sekunenhlakanhlanje la ekhaya kube ngathi umndeni ohlakazekile, kanti kunento ethile nina ngokuthola kwenu ke imuphi lo mongo lo, what is the gist of the matter?
Sure. I think to be able to say avoid alok nalok fanele ni understand kusuke kuphi, so like abanye njoba ulahlelo umsebenzi or kuvaliwe emsebenzini awulahlelo umsebenzi, but leo stress all of a sudden ukuthi ngiconfined, ngilana angikwazi ukuphuma, bengijwayele ukuthi ngama Fridays nginezimpishi zami siya groove, all of a sudden sengihleli sekufanele ngibheke umama manje, sekufanele ngibheke abantwana, you know, so that's impilo ongayijwayele, so you having to adjust ne, so sekukuthi ubuyeke uyikhumbuza ukuthi no, but these people akusilona iphutha labo ukuthi ngistakile la, in fact it's an opportunity, awubuye ngenye indlela ukuthi hayi ngoba ngistakile, it's an opportunity for me to play my role nami ukuthi ngibe a family somebody la, you know, so abanye bayithatha in a negative light, so abanye because of mhlambe ukuthi emsebenzini sengexpectwe o sekuthiwe vele uvalwe nje emsebenzini sekuthiwani sekuthiwa uyahamba, so usunaleso stress ukuthi vele makubuyele noma kuthiwa kuyavulwa what's going to happen, angisenamali, so i stress ke leso, as you don't deal with the stress uzoba nolaka ngithi usukhiphela khona la ekhaya, so senihlezi kucatshana kusekho ukuthi nanokuthi most of the time beningekho ndawoni, beningajwayele ukubonana, but now senibonana ndawo manje kunama personalities amaningi ahlukile, especially in our black homes, sihlezi not in nuclear families but in extended families, you know, so ukunderstandana kade ngokubalekile ukuthi fanele understandane ukuthi who am I, who usibanibani ubani yes unolaka but ulaka lakhe lusuka nami uma ukuthi mhlambe ngimtriggerishile so we have to understand each other si embrace ukuthi abanye abantu yes they do have a mental health challenges so we can't blame them because number it's not ukuthi bayicelile so we just have to embrace and support them don't provoke and trigger low mental yabo so that is one way esingadila ngayo mhlawumbe sinqabule nalezi zinto esizibonayo zo gender based violence ukuthi understand yourself understand the next person and then si respectane and siyeke ukucwasana
asithathe lesigaba lesisize kuyena unqonqoshe asilibonge ithuba ososipho khona sesifunde lukhulu kudade wethu la oyi psychologist yethu besifikele namhlanje wakunene siyabona ukuthi yena ithuba lelo livezayo lizokwakha amathuba amaningi ukuthi emakhaya sifunde izinto ezihlukahlukene kodwa ke ngaphambi basivale siligoqe kahle uhlelo nawe bengizofisa mhlawumbe ukuthi kube khona izinto esizibukayo nawe ngiyazi isikhathi lesi sa COVID-19 and kule weekend ngeke sibe nayo imedia briefing esibe nayo ngizocela ukuthi mhlawumbe inombolo zakamuva ukwazi ukuthi ubasondezele abantu emakhaya bese futhi uphinde usondezele ukuthi sekuthini ukucabanga kweprovince ngiyazi ukuthi kamuva besigqugquzelwa ukuthi ake sithi igozolo ngoba kunale second wave kulokhu kukhulunywa ngayo kwamanye amazwe usithi nje fahla ukuthi kuthini ukucabanga manje kulesi sigaba samanje
Ntokozo siyabonga kakhulu sibonge nje ne discussion ne conversation that you had uyabona ke uthi udadewethu mechaza lethu uma kungasala le kuthiwa ungafiki uphinde uba ne back pain ngathi maye
ibhekeki
ngathi ukhuluma naye but it's important ukuyithola le information because uma ngabe kuthiwa information is power
yes
and noma ngabe i-information ehlala kanzima kanjani kuwena okubalekile is that uyithathe le information and do something about it and I think a point that Ntokozo was raising thina generally as abantu abamnyama from time to time sinakho ukucabanga ukuthi kunezinto ezingasithinta into depression I might personally think ukuthi ayingithinte but even if sengi acceptile mina ukuthi nginayo depression ama families ethu bacabanga ukuthi ayune drama yini manje lento ayenzayo hayi manje into zabelungu azingeni kuzona so it's important ukuthi we continuously give and empower our people and I really appreciate what you have done and I hope we'll be able to continue nale program because I think it's really going to benefit abantu bakithi siyabonga kakhulu as of today and I intense ukuthi futhi sithi let's explore further what other topics we can discuss ileyo ukuthi ukudiscussa kwento eyodwa njalo igcina isikhathaza kube information engasaprocesseki because you think it's something that you know so we've been talking about COVID almost every day since March but we need to speak about COVID outside of just numbers. We need to speak about the impact of having COVID-19 in our society broadly. Kodwa ke sesikhulumile broadly asiphinde sibuye sikhumbuzane ukuthi where are we? As of today Ntokozo njoba you were saying ukuthi let's talk to numbers as a province sinama infections are 115,658 remember ke kodwa ngifuna sihloko sihlale sikhumbuzana njalo ukuthi yi number lezi ezithi ze cumulative okusho ukuthi uma ngabe kufika ezinye inamba siyazi add kulezi beyivele zikhona asithi ngoba uNomagugu sephumile kwi isolation igama lakhe sesiyalisusa cha si add lapho hence inamba zethu zoloku zihlale zikhuphuka every time siba ne infection inamba zethu ziyanda kodwa kubalekile ukuthi sibheke ukuthi mangaka ama cases are active ngaleso sikhathi in other words obani noma bangaka abantu abasagula noma basenayo igciwane so right now as a province abantu abasene infection bawu 7,736 those are cases esiwabiza ngokuthi are active cases ekumele bahlaleke lo 100 so 10 days where isolation now ama recoveries are on 105,000 now umubheka ke in terms of the percentage you are now on 91% in terms of ama recoveries which is a good thing uyazi ke Ntokozo ukuthi from time to time we have to speak to the infections of the day namhlanje sithole as of yesterday sithole ama cases out 285 which means are the cases that we had yesterday but 2 days ago bese siniphile 2 days ago we had 79 cases uyabona ukuthi sagcina ukuba no 79 cases ngoMarch or any number e2 digit ngoMarch so if sikwazi ukuthi sifike lapho kusho ukuthi we can do it so we are requesting abantu bakithi ngempela to adhere to protocols social distance wear a mask wash your hands, use the sanitizer. Very important. Again, I want to insist, if virus ayihambi,
Yes.
it's us who are moving the virus. For as long as we keep we only move when it's necessary, the virus is obambeka. So we are requesting that ukuthi kwenzeke. Unfortunately, we have had a number of people asebeshonile. As of today, abantu asebeshonile 2,392 and may their souls rest in peace. And we do wish to send our condolences to their families. Kodwa ke isimo esibhekene naso isona lesi, but we are calling on our people to adhere to the regulations.
Sike sabona ngqongqoshe lapha ya isibhedlela iAppelsbosch umphakathi ungeneme ngendlela mhlambe izinto ezenzeka ngayo lapha ya ikakhulukazi ke bebekhala ngezinto ezithinta ukuqashwa kwabathile abalekelelayo lapha ngaphakathi ama general workers. So kwafika la esibone khona bevala imigwaqo beshisa izinto mawukuthi kumbiwa nemigwaqo khona lapha ya okuthe kwesinye isikhathi noma sekuthunyelwa abasebenzi bethi basuke head office bethi bawulekelela kwaba nokuvinjwa kwabo bakhiyelwa kwagcina ke sekuphoqa ukuthi ke umnyango ugcine usivala isibhedlela. Mhlambe ke ezimene ezifana nalezi la umphakathi usukunokukhala khona, umphakathi usungeneme, iyiphi indlela eneniqoquzela kusetshenziswane ngayo nanokuthi ke udaba la khona lapha ya neudaba onulusingethe kanjani?
Ntokozo asibonge nje ithuba lokuthi sichazele lolu daba. Asiqale ngokuthi it's very strange, it's a very strange culture ebantwini abamnyama ikakhulukazi ukuthi uma ngabe sizokhala nge-service delivery kwenye department sibula lokunye. Uyabona uma ngabe sikhala ngokuthi isibhedlela sisiphathi kahle bese sigubha umgwaqo siubulala umgwaqo sithi imali ezophinda ulungiswe lo mgwaqo izovelana. But secondly isibhedlela yes sikhona emphakathini and kuyiphathi yo contributor towards employment. Kodwa akuyona primary responsibility yesibhedlela ukuqasha.
Oh yes.
Abantu bayaqashwa as a by the way ngoba isibhedlela happens to be there. Ngichaza lokhu because one of the demands esizwe ukuthi akhona Appelsbosch eyokuthi kunabantu abaqashwa ngo2018.
Oh yes.
Ababaqashwe ngeprogram ngawona ba 5. Ababeqashwe ngeprogram kapresident ngaleso sikhathi esayibuzwa ukuthi stimulus package. Bathi ke umphakathi ukhala labo bantu ngokwabo akusiba abantu bendawo sokufuna bahambe esibhedlela. Now into ka2018 le babayekile zonke leminyaka kodwa namhlanje ba decide ukuthi kufuna bahambe kulungile ke right yabo yo complain. But labo bantu labo Department of Health sifike investigate iyakhomba ukuthi abantu bendawo kune evidence yokuthi abantu bomphakathi kune evidence ukuthi omunye uhlala lapha nomunye uhlala lapha. But uma sesieda nathi njoba besieda iadmin nama general orderlies kulonyaka njoba sibe prepare COVID-19 ngicabanga ukuthi bathole abantu ababili as a hospital because nathi besingenabo abantu aba enough. Those are people esibathathe kwi database ye district and baqhamuka khona. Now Department of Health gives the proof ukuthi laba abantu bendawo.
Yes.
But abantu bakithi they think look unemployment iningi. You've got a majority of young people that are unemployed and it's a reality esingeke siyi accept esingeke siyibalekele. Kodwa iqiniso ukuthi kubo bonke abantu abaqasha abangasebenzi isibhedlela sine capacity yokuqasha only few. Njoba ngisho ukuthi besinama post amabili. So uma sinama post amabili endaweni yonke leyana ngeke sibaqashe bonke abantu abayang about 30,000 who are unemployed. Only 2 will be employed and asimnayo capacity yokwakha amanye ama post. By the way, we are not a department, a primary responsibility is employment.
Okay.
It's to provide healthcare. Anyway, we've decided kodwa ke ukuthi we are going to engage with the leadership local lapana led by the mayor and the councillors that are involved because I do understand that there are a few councillors aba involved and we'll also speak to ubukhosi bendawo. But uma ngabe Ntokozo sekufika kwi level yokuthi umphakathi uthreatenisha ukushisa isibhedlela sethu ubusuvala imigwaqo ukuthi abantu bangakwazi noma ama health workers angakwazi ukungena esibhedlela but abangaphakathi bangakwazi ukuphuma kusho ukuthi we are threatening the lives abantu abasebenza esibhedlela. So we were forced ukuthi sigcine sisivalile isibhedlela ngoba kusho ukuthi abantu base Appelsbosch abasiboni kahle isidingo salesa sibhedlela. Ngoba uma ngabe abantu bebesibona isidingo sesibhedlela bekufuna sikwazi ukuthi sixoxe but isibhedlela siqhubeke sisebenze. I mean asiphiki ukuthi abantu bendawo kufuna baqashwe sivumelana ngempela akusiza ukuthi uqasha abantu bakude abantu bendawo I agree kodwa phela ngeke kuqashwe abantu bendawo kuphela I mean iprovince inkulu but asiphiki futhi ukuthi I'm told one of the other comment or issues abazireza is that kune contractor esihlale isikhathe eside asikuphiki lokho but angithi kunomthetho khona South Africa othi umuntu nangabe icontractor uhlala isikhathe esinjani and ama contractual obligations athini uhulumeni akakwazi ukuvela avuke nje akhipha icompany kaNtokozo afake icompany kaNomagugu there are processes that must be followed manje abantu bakithi uma ngabe befuna ukungalandeli lawo ma processes bayasiphoqa ukuthi sigcine singakwazi ukwenza lutho okulunye ngoba uma ama patients engasakwazi ukudla kusho ukuthi thina siwabulalayo uma istaff singasakwazi ukuphuma esibhedlela singasakwazi ukungena kusho ukuthi we are endangering their lives so sathatha isinqumo sokuthi hayi okwamanje asisivale isibhedlela while sixoxa nomphakathi ne leadership yomphakathi in particular sikwazi ukuthi sithole solution so in the next week sizoba na umhlangano and siyathemba ukuthi out of that meeting sizokwazi ukuthi si resolve inkinga kodwa ngiyafuna ukuemphasize umnyango wezempilo primary responsibility yabo is the lives of the people or it's the health of the people baKwaZulu Natal not employment
wayichaza kahle kakhulu kungqongqoshe ephathisona umnyango wezempilo KwaZulu Natal uhlelo belumnandi ke nelizula liginqika emakhaya yasesikhathi ke bakwethu have sihlupha ngoba sivele bese sisuka bese siyaphela ngizothatha ke ithuba leli ngithi nje udade wethu akavalise makhona umlayezo umfishana ofisa ukudlulisa kubalalele bakhaya kakhulukazi ke umuntu odila nabantu abanengcindezi okukhwalala ungathini ukuphawula kwakho nje usuyigoqa egcineni
yes thank you angibonga nje for leli thuba I think it was a very important one because njengoba desisho isimo sengqondo sibalekile it influences us kuzo wonke ama areas empilo yethu we have to you know take care of our mental status or state so I think I support nje from our family members for labo bantu abasuke benengcindezi abasuke be affectekile psychologically ngizothi nje iyonto efanele si pushe phambili and then abantu bangasabi ke ukuthi bathole usizo from ama psychologists ukubonana ne psychologist akusho ukuthi usuku ungaphilile or usuku uhlanya or usuku you know it's sidila nezinto ezihlukahlukene njoba ngeke ngachaza even nje umntwana nje you know engaqhubeki kahle esikoleni you know a psychologist has a very important role to play lapho and lokho kumsiza ukuthi naye akwazi ukukhula abe confident akwazi naye ukureacha idestiny yakhe you know so nje asingaba wabalekele ama psychologists
kafushane ke ngakuvala ungasashonga ukuthi bazokuthola phi ngoba bazokufuna abanye uthi ake simbheke mhlambe naye cell number ugcina uyishiya
okay ngisebenzele Dudoc Center uSmith Street in Durban Central inamba yami yocinga ngitholakala kuyona u081 540 8016 ko Instagram unene khanyisile siyakhona nje ukuxoxa khona but uma mental health issues so bangabuza nje
so uyasiblocker ukuthi hayi ke sizongena ngeenkani hi ma'am ngqongqoshe uhlala usinika amathuba amahle uhlala usinika amathuba amahle ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sifinyelele emakhaya nomphakathi ukwazi ukuengage nathi direct uxoxe nawe uxoxisane sesibona ususilethana nabantu abazosilethela usizo sicela usigoqele nje bese uyibonga nawe usibonge futhi
siyabonga kakhulu Ntokozo for ithuba siyabonga kakhulu kukhanyisile ukuthi abe nathi and I think namhlanje kusikhombisile ukuthi idingeka kangakanani le session and we will continue now for as long as we are available we will then be able to assist the province yaKwaZulu Natal together siyabonga ukuthi umphakathi uyakwazi ukuthi uengage and uhlelo lwethu liyakhula we are getting more people coming in and understanding ukuthi senzane as umnyango wezempilo and for us that is very important ngoba kufuna sikwazi ukuthi xoxele directly nabantu baKwaZulu Natal sikwazi ukuxoxela direct nabantu baKwaZulu Natal bayibuze limbizo I know kunama questions akade bewabuza previously that we must still respond to asiwakhohliwe any question that comes in we note it and we will come back with a response in one session sizoba no HOD azokwazi ukuthi ayiphendulele naye njengomphathi ngoba kubalekile and in another session sizo invite uPremier sikwazi ukuthi si engage naye so we are very happy and ngiyafisa ukubonga bonke abantu aba responsible for the show ngoba yasinikeza iopportunity ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi si engage naye
sibonga kakhulu ke nami ngithi ngibabonge bonke laba abasondele kakhulu ekutheni ihlangane le show engizobabala njengamagama noma ngasasho ukuthi basuke bekade belekelela ngani na uyobonga lapha udokotela uHOM udokotela uMlitha uAgiza Hlongane osihlanganisela kahle izinto noSiphiwe Moyo ocisha ngibulale mangambalanga noNothando Nkosi noMondli Mwandla yavele yacisha ke into yami engibhale kuyo la ngizathi ngiza nabo kahle kakhulu kodwa ke ngiyababonga bonke ngempela abalihlanganisayo uhlelo baningi kakhulu siyasebenza sisonke sindawonye ngisho ukuthi ke iJerusalem Challenge is on ungazivakashela ku Facebook page yethu ungene kahle kakhulu lapha ku KwaZulu-Natal Department of Health ungene ke unuvotela usuku nosuku ungene district usuku nosuku ungene district siyanicela ke ukuthi ningene nivote bese ni like phela ne page selikhule ngamandla i page abantu balithanda nani siyanithanda sithatheke leli thuba lesivalise kini emakhaya sithi siyanithanda kakhulu